Hi besties, how are you doing? Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video, I want to make a review on this particular face cream. This is a face cream, so today I'll be reviewing this face cream and it's going to be based on my own experience, okay? So guys, if you want to know all about this face cream, the name of this face cream is Egg Yolk. If you want to know all about this face cream, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Hey guys, the name of this face cream is called Egg Yolk. This is Egg Yolk face cream. Okay, on it is written that it is visible whitening face cream. So it is, when you use it, you're going to get a visible result according to what is written on it. And it is also written on it that it nourish and whitens the skin. Yeah, it is written on it that it repairs damage faced. Okay, and the main ingredients in this face cream is egg yolk. Okay, let me see. Well, that's the main ingredients in this face cream. Okay, and you know egg yolk is very good when it comes to whitening the skin, because any product that contains egg yolk is known for skin whitening or skin lightening. So on this particular face cream, it is written that it whitens the face, that it is for acne, for pimples, burns, dark spot, dark areas, that it smoothes and whitens the face. We get to find out if it actually do all these things. Okay, so guys, this is a foreign product. It is manufactured in France. Let me show you how it looks inside. It comes with two packaging, like two cover. It comes like this. This is the first cover. It has another small cover. Then this is how it looks inside. It looks yellow. It has a yellow color inside. It smells nice. It has a good fragrance. It smells nice. So guys, I'm acne prone skin. Okay, so I'm looking for a face cream. Before I got this face cream, I already have another face cream. It's just a glowing face cream. It doesn't brighten the skin. So I decided to get another brightening face cream so that I can use it. So on this face cream, it is not written the skin type this face cream is made for. But according to what is written on it, I discovered that it is for oily skin, because I'm oily skin. Okay, I'm acne prone skin. So yeah, it is written that it is for acne, pimples, dark spots, burns, and dark areas. So these are some of the things that people with acne prone skin, oily skin experience. Okay, so I got this face cream. This face cream is very affordable. I got this face cream for 1,500 naira. Yeah, it is very affordable. So I still using this face cream. I've been using this face cream for a while now. Before I decided to do a review on it, I've been using this face cream for a while now. Does it really do all these things that are written on it? Does it really do all these things? So guys, the truth is, this product does not do all these things that are written on it. It doesn't clear any acne. It doesn't clear any pimple. It doesn't cure pimple. It doesn't clear acne. It doesn't clear dark spot. It doesn't clear dark areas. It doesn't smoothen or whitens the face, because I've been using this face cream for a while now. The honest truth is, it doesn't whiten the face. Okay, it doesn't whiten the face, it doesn't lighten the face, it doesn't do all these things that are written on it that it does. It doesn't do it. Okay, because I'm acne prone skin, and that was the main reason I got this product. After seeing all the things it contains, though, when I wanted to buy this product, I was like, it's not about all these things that are written on it. Is it going to really work? I was like, I don't think it's going to work. I don't. I already knew that it was not going to work. So it doesn't clear acne. If you want to get this product for acne, no, it doesn't. But this is based on my own experience, because I'm acne prone skin. Okay, it doesn't clear acne. It doesn't whitens the face. It doesn't smoothen the face. It doesn't repair any face damage. Any damaged face, it doesn't repair it. Okay, it doesn't repair it. Here it says visible whitening face cream. That's not true. Yeah, it is written that it nourish the skin. It doesn't nourish any skin. It doesn't do anything. See, do you know, since I started using this face cream, I started having little white patches, like here on my eyes, here, yeah, I'm still having little white patches. And another thing is, guys, this product is harsh. Yes, based on my own experience with this product is harsh. Okay, it's not suitable to use under hot weather. And you know, my weather is very hot this period, so it's not suitable to use under hot weather. If you want to use this product, please make sure you have a sunscreen. Make sure you use your sunscreen after applying this. Okay, after applying, because it's somehow harsh. Yeah, it's somehow harsh based on my observation with it, because I've been using it for a while now. I've almost finished this container. Am I going to get this product again? I don't think I'm going to get this product again. That's the honest truth. I'm not going to get this product again. No. It didn't really give me what I was expecting. And again, at least if it's not going to do the work 70%, at least let it try a little. So, but we didn't do anything, so I'm not going to get this product again. I don't know, you might use it and it will work for you. You know, our skin differs, but I'm oily skin type. Okay, so based on my experience with this, it doesn't work. I don't know, maybe it might be working for you, but it didn't work for me. Okay, it didn't work for me. It didn't work for me. Just give me a little white patches here. Yeah. Okay, guys, let me tell you guys, one thing I love about this face cream. One thing I love about this face cream is when you apply this face cream, like, if for someone with oily skin like me and with oily skin, when I apply this face cream, it is going to dry up immediately. Like, it dries my skin. Okay, I like it because oily skin type. So when I apply it, it's kind of dry my face, dry the oil, dry my face. You know. So that's one thing I like about it. Okay, so when you apply it, it will easily dry up your face. So if you have dry skin, I don't think it will be very nice for you, because it's kind of dry when you apply it on your skin. Okay, but if you want to try, you can go ahead and try it. You never can tell, it might work well for your skin. But this review is based on my own experience. Based on my own experience, it didn't work anything for me. I'm not getting it again. No, I don't think I'm getting it again. It didn't do anything on my face. Okay, didn't do anything on my face, so I don't think I'm getting it again. So guys, that's my honest review concerning this EGG Yolk face cream. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. If you haven't joined the family, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell to also you notify each time I upload a new video. Please subscribe and join the family. If there's any product you would like me to do a review on,